Using Tinkercad, you will be exploring three sections, which are 3D block construction for drawing 3D objects, circuits, and code block. As educator, you have two options to help students log into this online platform, which is when you go to log in, you can ask your students to create their own accounts, or they can log into a classroom where you have to manage a classroom to upload the student name and to be sending them later on codes in order to manage the class. Later on, I'll be showing you in a separate video how to create a class and how to ask students to join class. For the time being, I will click on personal account as a single account. I will choose Google as email, and you will be logging into the main page of my Tinkercad account. So here I can click directly on design, and then I will see all the previous design and circuits made on Tinkercad. By clicking on create, I can choose between 3D design, circuit, or code blocks. For the time being, I'll be clicking on circuits, and then on your right you will see all the electronic components available to build an electronic circuit. What is remarkable here is that the only two microcontrollers available are the microbit and the Arduino, which are included in our curriculum. So by moving any of the components, you will be start exploring a funny and challenging skills, which is creating a circuit and to program it in order to understand how IoT will be working. For now, it's the end of this lesson. Next lesson, I'll be showing you how to start step by step working on circuits starting from grade 7.